Cleaning solar panels can be a risky business, but at times you just have to do it to get enough juice for your appliances and needs. This is exactly the reason why TechnoClean drone solar plates were created. TechnoClean drone solar plates are a novel way to keep solar panels operating efficiently without having to deal with the trouble of frequent cleaning. The drones are designed to clean the panels either in response to detected dirt levels or at predetermined intervals. When compared to conventional cleaning techniques, the deployment of TechnoClean drones minimizes the hassle and guarantees that solar panels maintain optimal performance and effectively generate maximum electricity. Verandair is a cutting-edge modular veranda system made to provide flair and usefulness to living areas. With the help of this technology, homeowners may design enclosed outdoor spaces that perfectly complement their home's current architectural styles. Verandair modules are made of sturdy, weather-resistant materials and are simple to install, and include a variety of adjustable features, including integrated lighting, retractable roofs, and sliding glass walls. Because of its modular design, it can be customized to fit a variety of house shapes and sizes, making it an adaptable way to improve outdoor life. Why struggle to dry yourself after a shower if you can blow the water away? To deliver a more comfortable drying experience, the body dryer Slim Darid is a high-efficiency compact alternative to standard towels. This gadget, which is placed on the bathroom floor, draws moisture from the skin after a shower or bath using strong yet gentle air jets. The air is heated to a pleasant temperature, guaranteeing a relaxing drying experience. Because of its subtle and elegant form, the Slim Darid can fit into most bathrooms without taking up much room. We all want to keep an eye on our homes at all times. Maybe you have a pet or some mischievous kids that you must keep an eye on after they get home from school. Sure, you can keep sending your neighbors to your house, but they get tired eventually. To relieve you of that burden, get yourself this modern, adaptable home security system that provides thorough monitoring and protection. The Video Guard Flex is made up of wireless cameras that are simple to install both indoors and outdoors, and offer 360-degree coverage, high-definition video, and night vision. And through system integration, owners may remotely and in real time monitor their property using a smartphone app. For anyone searching for a simple, adaptable security system that doesn't require complicated wiring or expert installation, this system is perfect. If you want to keep your bike safe and away from water, the ALPEN Bike Capsule shields bicycles from the elements and thieves. Bicycles are protected from rain, snow, and sun damage by this sturdy UV-resistant capsule that resembles a futuristic pod. It offers secure storage for bicycles in cities or at home thanks to its locked entrance and strong security features. Because of its elegant, small form, the capsule may be parked in parking lots, on patios, and on balconies without taking up much room. For riders who want to make sure their bikes stay in good condition and are always available for use, but lack safe indoor storage, this is a perfect solution. Regardless of one's level of gardening expertise, EVA is an intelligent indoor garden system that makes cultivating tiny plants and fresh herbs simple. EVA uses hydroponic technology to give the plants the ideal amount of light, water, and nutrients. It has an integrated LED lighting system that replicates sunshine to provide plants the ideal amount of light all day long. The system is elegant and tiny, making it easy to use in small areas or on kitchen countertops. Additionally, AIVA may be connected to a smartphone app, which offers real-time updates and advice on plant development and health. This feature makes AIVA ideal for people with hectic schedules who want to enjoy fresh, local vegetables. In order to keep animals, water, and debris out of basement window wells, window well covers are a must-have. These coverings are strong and light, made of materials like metal and polycarbonate. They offer a tight seal around the window well to prevent leaves, dirt, and vermin from getting in and to lessen the chance of flooding. Certain types are made to sustain human weight, which improves safety by reducing the risk of falls. Since window well covers are frequently translucent, light may enter the room without obscuring vision. Additionally, they increase house security by preventing intruders from breaking through basement windows. Jacuzzi's Hydropool swim spas combines the health advantages of a swimming pool with the pleasure of a hot tub. These spas include an integrated current system that enables continuous in-water swimming, making it perfect for physical treatment and aerobic fitness. One may modify the water current to suit their level of fitness, ranging from mild activities to more strenuous swim routines. Hydropool swim spas also have massaging jets to help relax muscles after a workout. These swim spas, which come in a range of sizes, offer a flexible and affordable solution for anyone seeking a pool-like experience without having to shell out money for a typical swimming pool. Recyclit is a cutting-edge waste management product made to make recycling easier at home. It's a smart bin system that automatically sorts rubbish into recyclable and non-recyclable categories using sensors and AI technology. Paper, glass, metal, and plastic are among the several materials that Recyclit can identify and guide to the appropriate section. Through a mobile app connection, the system provides users with information about their recycling practices and waste reduction advice. Because of its small size and silent operation, it may be readily incorporated into most kitchens and contribute to a reduction in the amount of trash that ends up in landfills. The FGH-V Galeria is an energy-efficient, high-performance window system that maximizes natural light while preserving thermal comfort. Innovative triple-pane glass, which reduces heat intake in the summer and loss in the winter, is one of the most enjoyable features of these windows. Low emissivity coating on the glass blocks UV rays, shielding interiors from sun damage and cutting down on cooling expenses. The tilt-and-turn feature of the FGH-V Galeria windows makes cleaning and ventilation simple. Their streamlined frames make the most of the glass's surface area, providing unhindered views and boosting a home's visual appeal. The EazyMaker is a flexible home fabrication tool for DIY lovers and small-scale manufacturers. It's a small machine that does several tasks, including 3D printing, laser engraving, and CNC cutting. With this all-in-one tool, customers make a variety of items, from customized presents to bespoke parts and prototypes. With its user-friendly software, EazyMaker makes design accessible to even the most inexperienced users. Its modular design maximizes usefulness without taking up much room by enabling rapid toolhead replacements. For enthusiasts, artisans, and people wishing to realize their imaginative visions from the comfort of their homes, EazyMaker is the perfect tool. Modern kitchens and bathrooms may now have touchless water control with the AutoSpout smart faucet adapter. It's simple to install and turns any ordinary faucet into a motion-activated gadget. By preventing hand contact with the faucet handle, the AutoSpout automatically activates and deactivates the water when it senses the presence of hands or items beneath. This feature promotes hygiene. It has adjustable water flow settings to help save water and is run by a rechargeable battery. AutoSpout makes life easier with its elegant appearance and easy installation process. It's a smart addition for households looking to modernize their fixtures with smart technology. AIRHOME is a smart home hub that unifies and controls a number of network devices to provide a smooth living environment. With the use of a single app, homeowners can automate tasks and manage multiple smart lights, thermostats, security cameras, and other device controls from a centralized system. AIRHOME, like all modern gadgets, uses AI to understand user patterns and preferences, maximizing energy efficiency and improving comfort. AIRHOME makes home automation accessible to anybody wishing to improve the efficiency and convenience of their living space with its user-friendly interface and broad interoperability with various smart devices. Powder Watts is an energy-saving gadget made especially for houses with radiant heating systems. By monitoring and regulating the flow of hot water via the pipes, it ensures that heat is delivered effectively and uniformly, maximizing the performance of these systems. The gadget adjusts heating cycles according to usage patterns and room temperature using sophisticated algorithms to save energy. Powder Watts blends in perfectly with current radiating heating systems and is simple to install. In colder climates, where heating expenditures can account for a large chunk of family spending, this technology is very helpful. Now, if you live in homes in regions where wildfires are likely to occur, you need the Hurricane Roof Sprinkler Fire Protection System. This sprinkler system, which is installed on the roof, releases a thin mist of water to moisten the surrounding vegetation and the roof when it senses smoke or high temperatures. The sprinkler lessens the possibility of flying fires, setting the home on fire by establishing a moisture barrier. It is equipped with a backup battery system to keep it running even when there is a power outage. The Hurricane Roof Sprinkler is simple to install on a variety of roof types and is constructed of sturdy materials to endure even the harshest of weathers. The cutting-edge portable air conditioner, Midea DUO, is made for maximum comfort and cooling needs. It has a dual-hose system which draws in and releases air simultaneously to deliver quicker and more balanced cooling than older versions. By reducing the negative air pressure often found in single-hose systems, this creative design enhances performance and reduces energy use. The Midea DUO is perfect for living rooms and bedrooms since it boasts low-noise operation, adjustable louvers for personalized airflow, and a sleep mode. Because of its small size and easy roll wheels, users may easily transfer it across rooms, increasing mobility. The DriBUDDi is a lightweight, energy-efficient clothes dryer that can be used indoors. It's ideal for limited spaces and bad weather. The dryer is made of a hot air blower and a cover that creates a structure like a tent over clothes that are hung. Without a tumble dryer, hot air flows within to dry clothing fast and evenly. DriBUDDi avoids shrinking and damage from standard dryers while being gentle on sensitive materials. When not in use, its folding, small shape makes storage simple. DriBUDDi is ideal for flats, small houses, and anybody else wishing to save money and space while maintaining dry and fresh clothing because it can carry up to 10 kilograms of laundry. Proshade is an intelligent outdoor umbrella system made to offer the best possible protection and shade for outdoor areas. Proshade has an automated opening and shutting system with sensors that measure sunlight intensity and wind speed. These sensors allow Proshade to adapt its position to offer the optimum protection and covering. The umbrella is made to endure a variety of weather situations and is constructed with premium UV-resistant fabric to filter harmful rays. Users may change the settings or plan the opening and closing hours by using a smartphone app or a remote control. Proshade combines simplicity, elegance, and safety for an improved outdoor experience, making it ideal for patios, decks, and gardens. Agorafocus is a modern freestanding fireplace intended to be a visually captivating focal point and source of warmth in any space. Its big panoramic glass face and elegant tubular steel body combine to create a pleasant 360-degree view of the fire from every position. With a closed combustion system that increases heat production while minimizing emissions, Agorafocus is designed for great efficiency. To accommodate varying tastes and installation options, it comes in gas and wood-burning types. This fireplace provides character and warmth to living areas while combining utility with a strong appearance that works well in both modern and classic environments. The goal of the AIRHOME integrated audio system is to deliver smooth, excellent sound throughout your home. AIRHOME provides a neat, clutter-free atmosphere since it is integrated into the walls and ceilings, unlike traditional audio installations. It may be connected to a variety of audio sources, including streaming services and conventional devices, and it is also managed by a mobile app or central hub. With its equal sound distribution architecture, AIRHOME offers a rich audio experience in every space. This system provides a sophisticated way for music enthusiasts and audio lovers to enjoy music, podcasts, and more around the house. Now, which amazing home inventions do you like most? Are you prepared to use one of these innovative inventions to improve your home? Let us know in the comments section below. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. You can find more fascinating discoveries and smart home ideas there. Until we meet again, enjoy the updates to your home.